Already we know arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means sum of the observations by number of the observations. For example, I will give one example. In a class, 7 students are there. In a class, 7 students are there. Total number of students. Total number of students. Total number of students are, for example, 5. Total number of students are how many? 5. Okay, each students got some marks in maths exam. For example, student 1 got 20 marks, student 2 got 35, student 3 got 40, student 4 got 43, student 5 got 22. So 5 students got 5 different marks. So we need to find average, arithmetic mean. What is the arithmetic mean of this information, this data? So arithmetic mean equals to, arithmetic mean AM equals to formula sum of the observations, sum of the all observations, sum of the all observations, sum of the all observations by number of observations, number of observations. Okay, sum of the all observations by number of observations. Okay, sum of the all observations means here 20 plus 35 plus 40 plus 43 plus 22 by total how many observations are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5. Then we get average. So here 20, 40, 60, 60 plus 35, 95, 95 plus 65, 95 plus 65, 10, 16, 160 by 5. So 165 means 5 3 is a 15, 5 2 is a 10. So 32 is a average. 32 is a average. So here average or arithmetic mean, both are similar, both are same. Or understand that? So that average formula was sum of all observations by number of observations. Okay, now here some examples are given in our textbook. Look at example number 1 and example number 2. The both are based on arithmetic mean. Okay, now I explain range. What is mean by range? What is mean by range? A range is the difference between the difference between the highest and the lowest observation of the data. The difference between the highest and the lowest observation of the data is called a range. For example, I will take this example. In this observations, which is highest here? 43 is a highest. Which is a lowest observation here? 20 is a lowest observation. So what is the range here? Range equals to highest observation minus lowest observation. What we get here? 23. So 23 is called a range of this given data. Okay, now if you observe that here, exercise 3.1, look at the first question. Find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. So you should write 10 different heights, then you have to calculate range of the data. Now look at second question. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. Here some information they given, you should form a tabular form. Okay, so here how many 4s are there? Okay, for example I will explain it. Look at here the information: 4 6 7 5 3 5 4 5 2 6 2 5 1 9 6 5 9658467. If you observe that here some numbers are given, some are repeated numbers, so I have to make a tabular form. Okay, first of all you have to take marks. Okay, then you have to do tally marks. Okay, marks, then tally marks. Okay, so first of all I will have to take 4. How many 4s are there here? 1, 2, 3. So 4s are 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many observations here? 3. Okay, 6. How many times are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is 4 times. 4 observations. 7. How many times? 1, 2. 7 became 2 times the given. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 became the given 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Then 3. 3 how many times the given? 1 time, only 1 time. Then 2. 1, 2, 2 they given 2 times. 1 how many times they given? 1 they given 1 time. 1 they given 1 time. 9 they given 1 time. 8 they given 1 time. Okay, 1, 9, 8 are 1 times. Okay, if you observe the questions, what is asking that which number is the highest and which number is the lowest, what is the range of the data, find the arithmetic mean. Which number is the highest? So which number is the highest of this data? In this data, which number is highest? Students, which number is the highest of this marks? Here 9 is the highest. 9 is the highest. And the second question they are asking, which number is the lowest? Which number is the lowest? Which number is the lowest? Here 1 is a lowest. 1 is a lowest. And then asking that next question, what is the range of the data? Range means highest minus lowest. So range equals to highest is 9 minus 1 equals to 8. 8 is the range. And also they are asking arithmetic mean. Find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic means you have to calculate. How to we calculate? Sum of the all observations by number of the observations. Then you will get answer. Okay. And also you have to try question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5 also. Okay. Thank you.